Hello my friends, Oscar Terramorte is here, and this is another unboxing video because I have received a lot of stuff this week, and I will start and make this video faster as I can because my kids are here, they are playing next to me and they are watching TV, so probably you will listen to screams, fights, even they will start to throw toys at some point. And well, let's go. I received this package. I'm just covering my current address, and this package came from Italy, Prato La Religna, and is from Decio Presutti, which plays on Christine Plays Viola, and he sent me their latest album, Spooky Obsessions. Thank you, man. Thank you to the band. Also, the record label Manic Records just sent me a few days ago another copy from my personal collection, and probably I will make a promotion giveaway of this copy you sent me. So thank you so much. And another album I received lately was the brand new album of the French band called Troubled Fate, The Black Isles, and also they sent me a cool t-shirt. I will make a different video for any of these albums I received. I have received another package from Solar Lodge Production. Just show you where I discover my address. I'm having trouble with the lights once again because autumn influence is dark. My kids sitting there. So I received this entire package, which contains the latest Garden of Light release, which is a light album. Also, it contains the new Neo album Mission Eden. Also, it contains a single of Neo, this Human Outer Planet Exploration. It's a single. Also contains, as the other record, some kind of, I don't know, some kind of booklet explaining something about this project, and yeah, it's a booklet explaining probably the history of the three albums and the concept of the three albums. Also, this is a cool picture of Arto in Java. Is Java? No, that is Ashland that you're actually. I don't know if you can see it there. Yeah. And the band, well, the Solar Lodge sent me a t-shirt from Neo. I don't have any t-shirt of Neo. Check it out here. Also, it has a poster. I don't know if you can see. I have all the posters of Neo. I think they have 3 posters of the Mission Neo from the new album, and like a movie poster. So thank you Arto, Java, and Solar Lodge for sending this package. We'll make some kind of review. I have the new Der Himmel über Berlin, or the latest EP, or I think it's an EP. Check, it's an EP. I had the opportunity to listen to a couple of songs online. It's really good, really good. I have everything of this band since the beginning. I really like this band. New album of Saigon Blue Rain. Yeah, this is too dark for me. I wanted to listen to this ASAP. But my main problem with this stuff is time, you know. Also, I got the Divine Lines on CD. I have the vinyl. Manic Depression Records sent me the vinyl. Also, they released the CD version. Okay, Lopeta. Para, chico. Also, they sent me an album of the band The Spoiled Paradise. I really like the cover of this album. I think Manic Depression Records will release this on vinyl, or I don't know if they have released it. Man, this is German, so I don't know how to pronounce this. It's Strasberg. If I receive this, it has to be some kind of post-punk or classic. Extinction Records. I will not show you the box of vinyls. I will make a specific video to show you the vinyls before to start making the reviews. Chica, Luna, no. Hey, a tu sitio, chica. Okay, this is the box. So heavy. I don't know how much kilos it is, but it came from Brazil. Let's open it because I'm really curious about a couple of vinyls I wanted to show you. Chicos, una, tira para allá, hija. Ta-da! Vinyls. Let's check it out. This very quick. Okay. Pon eso en su sitio, Luna. Quitos. Eso es tuyo. No, para jugar. Okay, this is our release from Way Records who sent me this package. Alex, thank you so much. And I have the Crystal and Cultural Breeding. Check it out. Well, it's a really amazing cover. Also, you can see the sticker there. It's a blue version, limited to 100 copies. And there is a really nice vinyl. Also, I was listening to this artist now and then. It's some kind of dark wave, really good project. So let's continue. Oh yes, I just saw something really I really love. Thank you, Alex, for this. Virgin Prunes. If I die, I die. I think this album has one of the most amazing covers because it's a real picture. You know, I really like it. Also the back. It says 82, but I don't know if it's a rare release or something like that. It's a traditional black vinyl. So, wow, it's a little bit broken here. But it's the Tears for Fears, The Hurting. I really love this album. It's one of my favorite albums from the 80s. And Larry is getting more weak. He has insert the classic photo. I don't know if this is, I think this is my favorite album from Tears for Fears. It has a very special sentimental value for me because I listened to this album in real time when I was a real kid, you know. So I really love it. It's traditional black. Probably I will make another video of this because it's a classic. Many people don't know this album. They think they are just the guys who made Shout, you know, the song. Wow! What we got here? The Cult on vinyl. This is a brand new album, 2016 album. I will not open it as a gatefold. I will make a special video for this. Thank you, Alex. And that's it. Let's open the second box. Yeah, thank you for this one, Alex. I was looking for this one. This is a Portishead. Dummy plus Portishead. I really love Portishead. Late modern, which is just the cover is some kind of very dark cover. Here. And it's a traditional black vinyl. Also includes a download code. Of course, I will show the download code. Oh no, this is a splatter. Wow, I thought it was a black vinyls. That's so really cool. Really cool. I will make a video of this band because it's one of these bands who, as I told before, they sold out vinyls. Sold out vinyls these days. Even if you release 300 copies, that fast is really amazing. So they have as I said before, they have a huge underground success. Also, from their debut album, they have a second press. I don't know if they will press a third one. And yeah, have two little monsters playing, crying, fighting, running. Also, yeah, if you're watching this video, it has a lot of edits, post-edit, just cut pieces where they are starting to fight. Fíjense. And I want to show something. I don't know if you can see. A piece of art. Thank you, my friends. I don't know if I will be able to make another video tomorrow to making a review because with the kids it's a really big puzzle, so I have to make the videos in the middle of the week when they're sleeping or something like that. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching the video, and